Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Revell Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. I believe it's a 2017. Let's get into it. It's painted Testors Gold Mango with the custom painting pearls white gold with some acne finish 2K clear. Painted the interior Testors gloss wood, brown, and gold in the bronze piping on it. Pro Street Hobbies 3D wheels, American Force 26. I removed the wipers. Also scratched up the roof rack, the push bar, the roll bar, and the trailer hitch. Got you know, as you can see when it comes back around. We'll stop and take a closer look. Inside the interior there. Like I say, I made my own rack for the roof. Roll bar. Decals came out the parts box. There's the trailer hitch. The 3D wheels fit a lot better than the kit wheels since these wheel wheels are very huge. Brush bar, as I said, I did make that myself. That's a 3D printed light in the front. Add windshield wipers. So that'll do it for this quick look at this SVT Raptor. Thanks for watching.